What if I told you there's a way to learn without having to sit down to study? And no, I don't mean some fake productivity hack. The only thing you need for this are these, or probably only this. I'm talking about audiobooks. Audiobooks are something that you can have with you pretty much all the time. You can use all of this useless time when you're making food or cleaning your house to learn new things just by listening. I absolutely hate wasting my time doing these things, but if I can use that time to learn something new, it feels completely different. Even if you do this just for 20 or 30 minutes a day, that adds up fast. Over time, that is a lot of information that you can take in without having to sit down and force yourself to study. Recently, I listened to a book by this Finnish author called Esa Juntunen, which talked about money. And just by listening that whole book while I was doing something else, I learned everything I need to know about making, spending, and saving money, about what kind of loans and insurances you should take, and how to invest money. That is crazy. Of course, there are limitations for this. You can't learn very hard topics this way, and you're not going to learn programming just by listening, but you can still learn a lot of things that can change your life. You can also listen to podcasts. I have learned pretty much everything I know about health and fitness just by listening to podcasts. And the crazy part is that most of them are free. You have all of this free material within your reach. If you are going to do boring stuff anyway, you might as well learn something while doing it. I am not saying that this is something that you should do all the time, because you absolutely should strive for focus, but you can think of this like a bonus. We don't have time to learn everything, but you can use your dead time to learn these side quest things. I don't know what to call them.